A piece of skinny ribbon makes this tiny pipe cleaner teddy bear even more adorable. For this project, you will need 7 tan or brown pipe cleaners, a piece of a black pipe cleaner, skinny ribbon, googly eyes, thick white craft glue, and fingernail clippers. Start by making the head of the teddy bear. Hold the end of one pipe cleaner against a pencil and wrap it around and around in a bundle, one coil right on top of the other. Tuck in the end and remove it from the pencil. Coil down the end of another pipe cleaner to make the teddy bear's muzzle. Make a very tight coil and put one coil slightly behind the other so that it gives a slight 3D effect, kind of like a cone. Put it up against the head to make sure it's the right size. It's about right. And then bend the end of the rest of the pipe cleaner straight back. Now thread the head onto the pipe cleaner so that it comes up right against the muzzle. Fold the stem of the pipe cleaner down and use it to make the form for the body. So just about a 1/4 inch from the head, you're going to form an arm that's about 1 inch long. So make it go out and fold it back. Make the arm on the other side, again out and fold it back. Wrap it around once or twice over the shoulders. And then form the legs, again about 1 inch long, leaving a space for the belly in the middle. Start rolling another pipe cleaner into a coil to make the teddy bear's hand, but this time we're going to do it perfectly flat, not like a cone like the other one. So make the hands a little bit oversized, about half the size of the head is cute. Hold it on to the end of one of the arms and then wrap the stem of the pipe cleaner down the arm, one coil right next to the other. Then you're going to have to go around the shoulders and go up the next arm, one coil right next to the other. And then you're going to clip off the end of the pipe cleaner so that you have enough left to make a coil about the same size as the one that you did at the beginning. Coil it up till you get to the end of the arm. Then you can adjust the arms and the hands to go inward just a little bit. Use the same process to make the feet, but we're going to make the feet just a little bit bigger than the hands. So use another pipe cleaner, make a flat coil, a little bit larger than the hands. Hold it up where the foot should be at the end of the leg. Start coiling the pipe cleaner around the leg all the way up. And go around the middle once, down the other leg. Clip and coil up the last foot. Now we're going to do the body. So hold a pipe cleaner just behind the neck, bring it down and wrap it around and around the belly part. Use one more pipe cleaner to fill out the belly. This time just start at the chest area and make sure that the middle of the belly has more shape and sticks out further than the rest. Tuck in the end of the pipe cleaner securely so it doesn't come loose. Now bend your bear, position it so that it can sit up on its own. Cut the last brown or tan pipe cleaner into thirds. Thread one of the pieces through the top of the head through a coil to secure it in place, and then roll down each side in a nice flat tight coil to form the ears. With another third, make a coil. Again, we're going to do a 3D coil or a cone shape. So make one coil go just behind the first one. Leave a very small tail. And then we're going to stick it onto the back of the body into the body there to make the tail. With the piece of black pipe cleaner, you're going to just make the tiniest coil that you can one time around at the very end and put the tail towards the back. Cut it off so it's just a little less than 1/4 inch and stick it right inside the middle of the muzzle. Tie a piece of skinny ribbon around the teddy bear's neck. Cut off the ends so that they are at a good length. Then the last thing to do is to glue on the googly eyes. So use a generous amount of glue, stick the eyes in place, and when the glue is completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.